Hello students, welcome back to EVS chapter 5 part 2. In this chapter, we are going to learn about how to keep the food clean. Students, as you know, most of the diseases that are caused due to unhygienic food and unclean water. Most of the diseases are caused due to flies and dust particles that sit on the food. We should not eat the food which is kept on the open food stall, such as pani puri, bhel puri, vada pav, samosa, whatever is kept in the open stall. It is not covered, so dust and flies continuously enter on it, and they spoil the food and they cause us many disease. So we must avoid eating the open food. Our topic is keeping food clean. Food should always be kept covered. Flies and insects will go into the food if it is kept open. Dust will also settle on it. This will make us ill. Sweet, nuts and other food items that are eaten without washing should be kept kept in covered jars or cans. Here here are some pictures that show that dry fruit nuts are kept in the closed jars, so we can eat them. Sweets, chocolates are also kept in the covered jars. In one picture, it shows some salad and food is there. It is also kept. So we must eat the food which is covered or which is kept in the covered jars. Now our next point is in this keeping the food clean, that we must also wash our hands, because dirty hands have germs in it which we one cannot see with our own eyes, and these germs they cause us illness. So wash your hands before you touch the food. Use the utensils and materials that are used for cooking should always be washed well before use. They should be kept clean. We must cook the food in the clean vessel and also keep it in the clean vessel. Have you understood? See, here are some pictures showing the girl is washing her hands before she goes to eat the food. The lady is washing the utensils to keep the food or to cook the food. The third picture shows that so many airtight containers are there and different types of food, snacks, vegetables, fruits, or pulses, grains, all these foods are kept in the stored in the airtight containers. You must have seen your mother keeping food grains, and that is all in the airtight containers so that it will not get spoiled. Now we should always eat fresh fruits. Cooked food should be kept for long, because germs attack on the cooked food faster. So cooked food should be not kept for a long time. It should be kept as soon as we cook it, we should eat it faster. And if it is left over, if the food is left over, then we should store it in the refrigerator. Low temperature does not allow the germs to grow. In the fridge, food does not spoil early. Germs grow quickly in hot conditions. If the condition is very hot, the germs will grow very fast. Now see, the you can here the pictures are shown that we must refrigerate the food items which are left over. We can keep some fruits, vegetables in the, you must have seen your mom keeping fruits, vegetables in the fridge so that we can keep it, preserve it for a more than 1 week. The next picture shows that the food is cooked fresh, and we must have that fresh cooked food. It is good for our health. But if the food is kept for a long time in open, germs will grow very faster. As I have told you before, that germs grow very faster in the open space, in the hot conditions. So if leftover food is kept open, the germs will come on it and it will spoil the food. So now our next topic in this chapter is good food habits. There are some of the rules that one has to follow to stay healthy. Which are that rules? We will learn one by one. We must eat at regular intervals. First point. The second point is we must eat a meal that has a mix of healthy foods. Our food should contain everything: dal, rice, vegetable, chapati, milk, egg, fish, whatever it is you eat, all this should be there in our food. Then we must eat fruits and vegetables daily. We must drink plenty of water so that we can digest the food easily. We must drink milk every day. Small children especially, they should drink milk every day. And we must not eat too much of food or too little of food. They both are not good for our health. We must eat the amount of food which we require for our body. Do not eat food that is kept open for a long time. The food which is kept open for a long time will be spoiled. We have seen in the picture that if it is kept open, germs will get into it. Eat slowly and chew the food well. Do not talk while you have food in your mouth. Wash your hands before and after each meal. So these are the good food habits, 10 good food habits that you must follow when you eat food. See, here are some pictures. Here, the first picture shows that the children are taking the food at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So, after 6 hours, we can take our second meal. The second picture shows the baby is eating fresh fruits. The third picture shows the child is drinking the boy is drinking the milk. So, small children should drink milk every day so their bones are healthy. And the fourth picture showed the baby is chewing the food again and again so that it will break into small particles and easy to digest. So in this way we must follow good eating habits in our daily life. I hope you have understood the topic. We'll meet soon. Thank you.